What's up? It's your girl Reese and welcome back to my space. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, thank you for rocking with me for another week. Today it's my birthday, so I thought it would be perfect to do a what's in my bag and review of my birthday gift to myself, my Hermes Kelly. So yeah, let's just hop right into this. So yeah, I bought myself this bag for my 30th birthday, but I got it way before my 30th birthday. This is a pre-loved bag, so I had to source it. So it came much earlier than my birthday, so you guys have probably seen it in a couple videos by now. I love this handbag so much. I am not a big bag person at all, so I haven't made a ton of bag purchases this year or the past couple years, but it's my 30th and I wanted to make a big milestone purchase. So here she is. This is my baby. This is like my first child. So it's pretty roomy. This is what the bag looks like, stuffed. And we'll start. Okay, so first and foremost, I have a mask, of course. And this is just a mask I got from Etsy. This is actually the first mask I bought when this pandemic started, and I'm still using it. I do have a couple like prettier masks now that masks are a part of our wardrobe. But I have a couple cool ones coming my way. And then I added a chain to it. A lot of people are doing the like cool mask chains. This is actually something I got off of Amazon. I'll link it below, but this was 10 bucks and it's gold and plain, and I feel like you can't go wrong no matter what, but it's for like basically wearing it like this. So putting my mask on, then being able to take it off and like just have it here and not worry about losing it or putting it down somewhere gross. So yeah, that's in my bag all the time now. Next in my bag is my hand sanitizer, and this is from Resale Toronto, which is local, and it is a lavender scent and it's organic and it's a spray bottle. So I like that. I like a spray bottle. Okay, up next in my bag, ooh, another spray. I need to get the travel size, but the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, which is my favorite, one of my favorite beauty products. I have a couple in my home. I was actually told recently that I should have one in my fridge, so I haven't done that yet, but maybe I'll put this in my fridge and get a smaller one for my handbag. Love it. It's a good like refresher for throughout the day. Okay, next, more beauty. Holy Grail lip gloss. This is the NARS lip oil, infused lip oil in the new color. This is, I feel like, more summery. Yeah, so it's like bronzy and summery, like perfect when you have a tan. Love that. This is my perfume. It's actually a perfume oil. It is Lumera's Arabian Oud, and I am much more of a oud, musk, those type of like winter woody smells. So this I love because it stays longer because it's an oil. It's just a roller and you roll it onto yourself and it's amazing. I usually layer perfumes, so this is a base. Like I normally start with an oil base and then spray on top, and then throughout the day if I feel like I don't smell like anything anymore, I'll roll this on my wrist again and then kind of, yeah. Fancy, fancy. Okay, up next is, my two CO Bigelow products. This is Holy Grail. This is my Rose Salve Balm. This is used and abused. I have 100 of them in my home, in my car, just everywhere. I love it. This is my top favorite product. You can use this for your lips. You can use this on like your cuticles. It's just amazing. And then I have CO Bigelow, again, a chapped hands remedy. This is a little bit thicker, so this is much better in the winter or colder months when your hands are much drier. But I just use it all year round. I don't care. I really, really love it though. It is a great, great product. I don't think it's scented either. Yeah, no, it's not scented, so that's great. I'm kind of sensitive to scents, kind of. So yeah, unscented. Okay, we're almost at the end. I don't have my raincoat in here. Okay, I have sunglasses. My Loewe sunglasses, always with me. Or some sunglasses is always in my bag. I love sunglasses. And last but not least, my wallet. This is my favorite wallet too. This is my Celine Wallet. I think the last of Phoebe Philio's era. This has Celine written all over it in the bamboo. You know, the bamboo letter necklace that everybody has. I have it too in the R, but it says Celine on it in that print. Awesome. Yeah, I love this. Love this wallet. And then, I have my little card holder, and it's actually in there. So my little Gucci card holder, Daryl and I have matching. I have a card holder and he has a wallet. We're cute. And that's it. Normally I have the raincoat in it, but I guess I haven't really been outside like to walk anywhere, so. Okay, so on to the review of my bag. So we'll start with the cons. Like I said, this is the Hermes Kelly 28 in black EPSOM leather with gold hardware. I got this secondhand. The cons. Okay, so the first con I would say is that this is a very heavy bag by itself. It's a good piece of leather, it's great craftsmanship, but it's heavy. It's very, very heavy on its own, and this is only the 28. I can only imagine bigger is much, much heavier. It does have the strap though, so it doesn't like totally wreck me. I can wear it. I'm not carrying it all day, or if I do wear it on my arm, it does leave a red mark. But the more stuff I put in it, the heavier it gets, but it's a base heavy, heavy bag. Second con, I would say, is that it doesn't close very easily, you know? I like wearing it like this, like open. I like the way this looks. But if you are a person who is like a stickler for closing your bag, the process of it is to properly close it. So there's like different ways to wear it, but to properly close it is to put it over and then put this strap on, and put the other strap on, and then turn. But like, that process is a lot for you to, you know, go into your bag and grab your wallet to pay for a coffee or something. Like, that's so much. So much. So I rarely ever carry it like that. Sometimes I carry it like this because Daryl's like a huge, he's a New Yorker. So he's like big on like, oh, people are gonna rob you. So I close it like this. So I just put the flap over and put it on. It's still, I think, a hassle personally, but whatever. So the first pro I would say for this bag, or for all Hermes bags, is that it appreciates in value like a house, or gold or diamonds. I guess gold depending on what's happening with gold. But this bag came out in 1892, if I'm not mistaken. And the resale value is, honestly, you can get the bag on the pre-loved market, which is much easier than in store, for almost double the price, or double the price depending on who's selling, I guess, and what leathers you're getting, if you're getting exotics, how rare it is, lots of factors. But yeah, if all else fails, you can sell your bag and make more money off of it. I am not planning on ever selling my bag. I am kind of a hoarder and I rarely sell anything. Handbags and shoes, I just keep them forever. It's terrible. Like, I think in my life I've sold 3 bags that I didn't use because I was like, okay, I'm never gonna reach for this. And it was like, oh, the color, stuff like that. But if it's black or like neutral, I will be like, oh, down the line I'll wear it one day. So I'll never sell this. I love this. This is gonna stay with me forever. But yeah, if you're looking for a reason to convince yourself or somebody, your partner, your parents, whatever it is, that you need the bag, and they're like, give me a good reason, you know, this is an investment piece. This is going to make me money if I ever sell it. Big on the if I ever sell it. Second pro, I would say, is it's just so iconic. I think it's such a milestone in a lot of women's lives to be able to buy themselves an Hermes bag. It was big for me. I mean, it's my 30th birthday, and this was my 30th birthday gift to myself. I hope that it's not the last of its kind, and we get more Hermes in my collection. But yeah, it's a good milestone piece. It's not easily accessible like other designer brands, so I like that about it. So it's shmoney. It's pretty roomy, I'm not gonna lie. You guys saw what I did of what's in my bag, so that's a lot of stuff in there. I typically, as you guys know, carry huge bags and I bring my whole house with me. Not very possible in this, but I've learned to like minimize for this bag a bit, which I don't love, but I'll do it for you. Side note, actually decided, or was humming and hawing over this or the Birkin 30 for an entire year before I got my bag. I decided to go with this, and I kind of, sort of, a little bit wish that I went with the Birkin, only because this bag, I chose the EPSOM, which is so structured, so it's very dressy. More dressy than the Birkin, I think. I think you can dress down the Birkin way more than you can dress down the Kelly. I've tried to make it a priority for me to just carry this all the time, no matter what I'm wearing. Like, I'll be in flip-flops and I'll still carry it. It does have the strap, which I love, and I think this was what won me over about this over the Birkin, because I don't constantly have to carry it on my arm and then carry it under my arm, which is heavy that way. We talked about that. But yeah, so this is why I went with this first. teeny tiny part of me is like, oh, I wish I went with the Birkin, just because I dress casual. I do dress more casual. Like I'm always in a pair of jeans and fun heels, so whatever. But I don't love it any less. I don't love you any less. I think that's it. I mean, the cons are there, but they're not really good reasons to not buy it. I think you should buy it. If you want to buy a Kelly, you should buy it. It is a great bag. It's an amazing piece to add to your collection. It is just stunning. It is gang. And once you buy this bag or any Hermes bag, it is so hard to buy something else. Like, I have no desire to get anything else, I don't think. Yeah, and you know what? It's putting space between my purchases because I can't just go outside and buy a Birkin tomorrow. So that's good. That's a pro too. You know, it forces me to wait between my purchases, save money and whatnot. Think of an occasion to buy it and not just be frivolous and be buying stuff all the time. So that's good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna add that to my pro list. Anyways, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on my next video.